Gonna be walking around smelling like a little treat or whatever. I'm excited about that. This is my breakfast for today, guys. What would make you think that this is all right? Look at the onions, the mushrooms, the green peppers, the cheese, the beef. Good morning, y'all. As y'all saw, we just brushed our teeth, washed our faces, put on our little house lounging clothes for the day. This lip gloss has color, excuse me. Y'all, I hope my lace gonna show in this wig, y'all. This is my lounge about wig, honey. We all got that one wig that we put on to run around the house in. It's that lounge about wig that we run around the house in. Anyways, or work in. But anyways, y'all, I need to go to the beauty supply store. I'm about to pull in into a shit order that's outside on the porch waiting for me. And can I open my vlog? Is that okay with you? Is it okay with you? Are you fine with that?
Mommy, I want my movie, baby.
Oh, you gonna watch your movie, baby. Thank you for saying please. Yeah, no, you wipe them. Okay, hold on, Kelly. Let me do this. I'm opening my vlog up. I'm about to go get the groceries off the porch. I'm just waking up literally 5 minutes before the groceries show up. I'm just waking up. I had to throw on some different clothes. Brush my teeth, wash my face. I am putting forth the effort, okay, you guys? This is only Vlogmas day 2.
Mommy,
I'm not tired. I had a full night's rest. I'm good. I was up late last night. I was up till like 5. Y'all did not see me anymore because I did not record me grocery shopping like I told y'all I would. And I told y'all probably won't go see me again. But here I am. Let's get the groceries out the front porch. Here I am, nonetheless. Y'all are seeing me in the flesh. Yeah.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it that high. Hey. 4L stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Her. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's.
About to put all the groceries away. Y'all probably won't see that because I'm gonna do it real fast. I'm not doing a haul today. I just don't feel like doing a haul today, so I'm not gonna do that, but I am doing something else special later. I'm gonna make me a charcuterie board. I said it right. Make a charcuterie board for movie night with the kids, but y'all will see that. So y'all will get to participate in that. Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and put the groceries away now. Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been in fiance, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom end. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom end. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, that Andy yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do the side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you gonna do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more.
Alright, y'all, so showing y'all the kids' snack closet. This is all we got basically right now, so we're gonna have to add some more to this throughout the week because typically I have 2 of these honey bun boxes. I only got 1 in there. Normally I have 2. They got some variety chips. They got some what is this? Granola chewy bars, some cookies, Pop-Tarts, noodle packs. Not much. I gotta get some more fruit cups. They got these mixed cherry fruits. I gotta grab 1 more pack of these. I got them some muffins, so they did get some blueberry muffins. Yeah, so I get their snacks at Walmart, but I like to go to like Dollar Tree and Dollar General, places like that to see what kind of sales I can get because they have a lot of good sales. So I want to walk into those stores and do that. So this is what it is from the Walmart delivery order for now. These kids go through snacks so fast, this will only last probably about 3 days. I ain't gonna lie to you, maybe 4 days if we're lucky. So we'll see how long they make it last. They just go through snacks so heavily in here. And the freezer looking like this. So a good amount of stuff in the freezer. Good amount of stuff in the freezer. It's okay. I'll get her. Good amount of stuff in the freezer, and we just got a couple packs of hamburger, chicken breast tenderloins, some top sirloin steaks, drumsticks, corn, beef burger patties, some waffles. I didn't get too much. I got the macaroni and cheese Stouffer's, and then I got a couple packs of the broccoli. Then I got the cauliflower and broccoli back there. Cauliflower and broccoli, and then I got this spinach dip for our charcuterie board. And then the door looks like this. We just got seasoned fries, cut green beans, spinach, loose waffles, stuff like that, and garlic bread, just loose things. Okay, you guys, this is the fridge afterwards. Fruits, juices, coffee creamers. Back there is guac cups, cheeses and stuff in this back pan back here. Second shelf is just more cheesy stuff on my charcuterie board. Meats, eggs, bacon. This is some bacon that's thawing out from the freezer. We got some double chocolate layer cake and a coconut meringue pie. It looks like that. And just more juices, lots and lots of milk because the babies be drinking the milk up. So lots of milk back there, about 3-4 jugs of milk. And then in this drawer, veggies, carrots, lettuce, tomatoes. What, Andy? What is it? Cabbage. That's what it looked like. And then the door looks like this. Cheese, butter. Put my creamer there because there's only a corner left in it. I'm about to finish it off today. And then the sauces down here, a bunch of various ranches, and what is this? Apple cider vinaigrette, avocado lime ranch. There's different sauce, country French, Mo French, barbecue honey mustard, ranches. So yeah, y'all, this is everything. This is how I know I don't drink a lot, y'all. I got this drink before my birthday on November the 8th. Like 2 weeks before my birthday. Why is this drink still here? What is it, December the 2nd? This drink is still here. Just unopened. I don't drink a lot. I literally don't drink a lot. I might give me a little wine or something. But as far as for just full out drinking, I don't. But I might drink this tonight though. This might be a vibe tonight. This might be a little vibe tonight, baby. We're gonna go hang our new holiday sign out at the front door. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Out with the old and in with the new. These little signs be so cute to me. Hopefully it fit on the dang on hook. Is it creaky? Oh, that's cute. That's adorable. And I was able to get the body wash. I tried to get it last time, but they said it was out of stock. But this time, baby, I got it. Gonna be walking around smelling like a little treat or whatever. I'm excited about that. This is my breakfast for today, guys. Looking real healthy or whatever. It does. It definitely looks very healthy. Very much healthy. I gotta wash these dishes. It's a gloomy day outside, y'all. It looks so gloomy outside, guys. Like, look how gloomy it looks. It looks so sad and gloomy out there. Ew. And just like that, it's done. Just like that, it's done. And if y'all wonder why I don't have a dish strainer, because when you have 4 kids, you have so many dishes, they're not gonna fit a dish strainer. I'm gonna have to give me a big, heavy duty dish strainer. And I don't intend for this to be a permanent situation because this will be fixed soon, our lovely dishwasher. So I don't intend to be doing this for a while. But this is just something temporary. But it does the job. It does what it needs to do for me. But it's all clean now. No more dishes. Hold on now, because why this tasting a little good? This white chocolate mocha, this tasting a little good. I think I done found something new that I might like. What would make you think that this is all right? I got me a Mr. Clean, and let's pray that it come out. Yo, why is the devil trying me like this? Why did they draw on one other area? The devil is trying me today. Look at this. Go vacuum under that bed, sis. Right now. Right now. Go vacuum under that bed. Because that's where they're storing it at. And I got to wipe my bed off right here. Them kids, them children, y'all. Them children will tear up your... Well, I told y'all what I tell y'all. Y'all property ain't going to be the same once you have kids. Y'all, literally, as I said that, I turned around and looked at the wall. I'm trying to tell you why it's in 3 different areas.
They say time here.
This boy Anthony right here, he said, listen.
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is. She can't see her life without me, she's so plastic. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you lost it. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you lost it. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me.
Pretty face, pretty timing, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something different than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never.
I'm just showing y'all how the babies do my floors. Dropping sippy cups. We talking sippy cups. We spilling juice. You name it, they're doing it. Well, kids, if you do have a choice of between carpets and hardwood, please get hardwood floors. My next house will have majority hardwood floors. Because Lord. But we're going to go ahead and get it cleaned. Honey, we get it cleaned. Go play. Go play tag.
Do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me. And they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they niggas, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you lost it. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Out on my knees, on me, telling me. They say time is. Girl, I tell that nigga you mine. Heard you been trying to tie the knot. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy one more time. Let me be that pussy one more time. I know that you feel for it. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you lost it. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me. Lately I've been gone, I'm feeling crazy. Yeah, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do.
This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you were the trigger. You brought me to an obstructive view. When you know the picture was bigger, we were the kidding. But from the beginning, you rule everything, every time. You are no friend of my motherfucking right. Motherfucking right, I'm bitter. Motherfucking right, I'm triggered. Motherfucking right.
Y'all think it look better? I think it looks better. I think it looks better, y'all. It looks much better to me because, honey, this floor was given, and it's, I can't get that clean because this is like the high traffic area. This is Mama's room, so everybody's coming to Mama. So it's just the high traffic area. So yeah, it's just that's laundry I gotta fold right there, and I gotta make this up. So I'm about to go get me another sheet and get my comforter out the dryer and put it on the bed. Just that fast, I folded them a little bit of clothes. So I'm about to go put these little bit of things away, towels, mine, girls, put them away real quick, and then put these girls down for a nap so I can start editing this video for y'all, because it is already 6 o'clock our time, and I ain't even started, but it's gonna take me no time though. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this right fast. All empty, made up. I'm finna sit down and edit. Gladly. Finally, this is what I've been trying to get to all day long, is to this point to where my room is clean. The floors clean. Feels so good. And my bed sheets changed, pillowcases changed. And what else I was trying to do? And yeah, basically everything's all clean. Table cleaned off. That table cleaned off. That's my main table that I use. But that table cleaned off too, because the girls be on this table doing a lot. And laundry put away. Now I can sit down and relax. I've been going all day today, y'all. All day. Look at that, y'all. Just look at the onions, the mushrooms, the green peppers, the cheese, the beef. We'll get it from this little spot. This little spot, y'all. This little Asian spot here. And they make cheeseburgers, fries, chicken sandwich, grilled chicken sandwich, chicken wing, hot wing. Oh, it'd be so good. Their first soda in 85 years. Y'all know I don't buy sodas. We buy juice and waters here.
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, short for wait, pop it, sipping acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on the refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep me get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speed in the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, on the strong, gotta keep it a gun, not a regular but that strong, fucking whole while the week every month, she want me sticking it deep in her gun, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon'